everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare dry garlic chutney. Unlike other traditional chutney or dip which is runny and liquidy, this red chutney that I'll prepare today is dry with no water added, with the garlic and coconut themselves binding the ingredients into a coarse spread. This red chutney can be served with dosa, idli, vada pau, or even with plain rice and dal. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Take a pan and heat it on low to medium flame, then add 1/4 cup of peanuts and dry roast till they turn light brown. Properly roasting the peanuts will ensure they become crunchy and grind well. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool. Then remove the skin. Add 3 Kashmiri lal mirch and 2 dried red chilies and dry roast them for few seconds till the color changes to darker shade. Then transfer to another bowl. Add the garlic pods and dry roast them for a minute or till you see brown patches on them. Once it starts turning brown, remove and keep aside. Add sesame seeds and dry roast them till they start to change color to a darker shade. It will splutter, so if needed, cover and roast it. Then remove and keep aside. Dry roast the desiccated coconut for few minutes till it turns light brown in color. Remove and keep aside. Once all the ingredients have cooled, transfer them into a grinder. Add salt to taste and grind into a powder. Then transfer it into a small bowl. The red chutney can be kept in an airtight container and refrigerated for 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy the red chutney with dosa, idli, vada pau, or even with plain rice and dal. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.